So, it's been a long minute since I've talked about the 7th Gen Camaro, and General Motors still has yet to confirm or deny said car. But that's mostly because information that comes out here lately doesn't really qualify as 7th Gen Camaro news. And I'm not going to waste your valuable time regurgitating everything that GMAuthority.com puts out that they got from their anonymous sources close to the matter. But recently, something has legitimately, albeit briefly, reignited conversation around the car. And that would be Kyle Larson doing a burnout in his Hendrick Motorsports Chevy Camaro on the flight deck of the USS Midway to kick off a weekend of NASCAR events at Naval Base Coronado in San Diego. So, let's talk about that. Get this, it's good stuff. Tell them I sent you. Now, what's got people excited is they're speculating that they just revealed the 7th Gen Camaro at this promotional event, and I can understand the hype. You're seeing a differently designed NASCAR Camaro, or what's assumed to be a Camaro, I'll get to that, at a promotional event, and we know that Camaro is going to continue in the Cup Series at least through the 2027 season. So, it makes sense that people are talking about it. Now, on the one hand, reactions I've seen from people, they're excited. I mean, they're seeing a differently designed Cup car that is supposed to be Camaro that GM has yet to confirm or deny. On the other hand, the reactions to the actual look of the car are varying from meh to I sure as hell hope this isn't the next car. And I wholeheartedly agree with the latter. I mean, let's look at the front fascia. It looks like a Dodge Charger had his headlights punched out and they're swollen shut. You know, the sticker pack on the rear deck is basically a 6th Gen Camaro. And, you know, everything in between that is probably just shaped to fit NASCAR templates, so you're not going to get a full shape, a full scope of the shape of the car that it's modeled after. Anyway, it's ugly, in my opinion. But let me dissuade your fears right now. I don't believe at this event that anybody revealed anything of any kind of consequence, let alone a 7th Gen Camaro that General Motors still has yet to confirm or deny. At best, it's more spitballing just to see what sticks, and I don't even think it goes that far. I mean, they needed a car for this promotional stunt, so they probably sent one of their test cars, because you know Rick Hendrick probably has a whole fleet of them. And if this does happen to be some kind of unofficial reveal, then it's horribly disappointing. I mean, it's a very, very plain looking car for what it's supposed to be, for what people think it might be. Very plain. It's got no character. Looks like it's idle. It looks like the headlights are swollen shut. I mean, and then of course, from that, you can't derive anything from what the engine package is going to be. I mean, no performance specifications. All you get is a very ugly cosmetic reveal. And that is sad. And in my opinion, for the 7th Generation Camaro that General Motors has yet to confirm or deny, this would be strike one. And that would be a call that General Motors would not be able to challenge. But that's my 2 cents worth, or 1.67 cents adjusted for inflation. Let me know what you think in a comment below. Until next time, I'm JR, and I am out.